subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Hi friends, the house which we are seeing is an individual house with beautiful color combination having 2 gates for car parking also. Let's see the other house with ground floor with a good color combination and also small garden in front of the house. Here we can see a house with car parking and roof gardening with the steps to climb. This is an individual house with 2 gates and garden and color combination. The house in the fields looking beautiful with colors and pleasant environment. This is a single state building with nice look, cream yellow and grey combination. A house with beautiful garden and steps. The front view of house is simply superb with double gates. This house is with car parking and garden area. A beautifully colored house with space around the house in the gardens. Let's see the other house with ground floor with a good color combination and also small garden in front of the house. The house got car parking and good garden area. This color combination of house is beautiful and got so much space in front of the house to park 2 to 3 cars. The house having good garden along with the car parking area surrounded by good environment. This color combination of house is beautiful, looking beautiful in the day and night light also. The front elevation is attractive. This house got car parking and is very spacious. There is so much space in front of house and good color combination having 2 cars to be parked. This is a single state building with good steps and color combination having 2 gates. The front elevation of the house with the roof garden is very nice to see and the color combination is very good. This color combination of house is beautiful and got so much space in front of the house to park 2 to 3 cars. This is an attractive color combination of a house having garden area and front elevation. This house got 2-wheeler and 4-wheeler parking. This is a good posh looking house with good space around the house. This is a single state building with good steps and color combination having 2 gates. This is a good color combination house having space around the house and front view is very beautiful. This is an individual house having front space very much and can be car parked. This house is surrounded with garden and fields. This is a single state building with good steps and color combination having 2 gates. The color combination of the house is dark and is very attractive with good steps. This is a good color combination of a house with green, blue, orange and grey colors. This is a house having marble around the house and garden area with good space and good combination. The house is with white and grey colored combination having car parking area and are surrounded with gardens. This is a house having good car parking area and spacious around the house. The color combination of the house is looking posh and having a great space to park the car. This is a single state building with good steps and color combination having 2 gates. This house is having good color combination and car parking. If you impressed this video, please like this video and share to your friends. Also, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.